Hey friends, happy Friday. We are here to do the first cash stuffing of June. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna see what we can get done today. And hi, how are you? Let me know. I hope your Friday is going well. I hope that you have an amazing weekend. And okay, let's get down to it. So let's start with the rollover. This is the cash for the stuffing. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's first see what kind of change we have. As I said, let me know how you are, what's been going on. Do you have any vacations coming up? Anything fun planned or any fun weekend plans? Let me know and let's chat in the comments. Okay, not a lot of change today, but that's okay. Any little bit helps. This change jar I got from Amazon, it does count the money if you put each coin through the slot. The batteries are dead right now. I don't bother with that. I just, throw it in the jug. And this way also, then I don't know how much is in here. And that way it's a surprise at the end of the year when I go to cash it in. Okay, let's see what kind of rollover cash we have. I think that we do have a decent amount this time. So let's take a look and see. We do have some 20s here, so we love that. Okay, we have 20, 40, 60, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 93, yes. This is gonna go to the side for savings challenges, so we'll put that aside. And okay, let's talk about the budget. This is $480. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 480. This here is my bright, undated budget planner. The spiral bound version here is available in my Etsy shop. The non-spiral bound version is available on Amazon, linked below, along with my other planners and savings challenge books. You guys, I am working on a new savings challenge book for Amazon, so that will hopefully be coming soon. Super excited about that. It is almost finished. And let's see, we're on the first paycheck of June. Okay, so right off the bat, 80 of this is gonna go to my mom, 20, 40, 60, 80. I give her $80 every month towards the money that I owe her. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna put this to the side and then I'm gonna grab Destroy That Debt. This is another one of my books available on Amazon. This is a debt payoff tracker. What you do is you have a space to write your debt, the name of it, and some details about it. And then you track all of your payments that you make towards this debt. Let me show you, I have another page here. Okay, so you have lots and lots of room to track all your payments, and then each debt also has a savings challenge. All the savings challenges are different, and then a notes page. And then once again, that continues for the next debt. I believe there's enough space here for 12 debts. And again, it just lets you kind of visually see where you're at, how your progress is going, and it keeps all of that in one place. So I am using this as well. And let's see. Today is what, June 12th. So I'm gonna write my date. I'm gonna write my payment amount. And then I'm gonna write my balance, which, let's see. So I'm down to $85.35 that I owe her. And yes, so once again, I just like tracking this way. It just keeps everything in one place. And then for my savings challenge, if we're down to 8,500, I believe I should have 15 of these colored in because each pig is $100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, so I could actually color in 2 more pigs. I'm technically not down to 8,500 yet. You guys just saw it's 8,535, but that's close enough. Sometimes I come in here and I don't even color in the pigs, but I will color in 2 of these again, just because that's close enough. So this is messy coloring. These Mr. Pen highlighters are super fun to color with, but the tips, as you can see, are not pointy at all. So it makes for messy coloring, but they color really nicely and quickly. So there we go. We have that all taken care of and updated. Again, this is in my Amazon storefront. It's also linked in my description box along with all of my other Amazon books. Okay, so we took care of Mom. We have our cash for our wallet, and then we have some sinking funds. It looks like I'm gonna need some change, so let me pull out the sinking funds and see what I could do. Hopefully I can pull some change. Let's see. We're only doing a couple things today. We're back to non-magic month status here. So the pickings are slim, but that's okay. All right, so for Penelope, she's gonna get $10. So let me see if I have 10 to pull out of here. I do. I'll pull out the 2 5s, and then I'm gonna put in a 20. And then let me go ahead and add this on my tracker really quick. Okay, so now in Penelope, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 376, perfect. She was supposed to have a bath yesterday, but they had to reschedule, so 60 of that will be coming out soon, but I don't know when. Okay, so that's Penelope. Birthdays is gonna get 15. Let me know, are your kids out of school? I think probably most schools are out by now. My son, his last day was yesterday, so he is very excited about that. And yeah, it's gonna be summer craziness around here now. Okay, 5, 10. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take 15 out. No, wait, I'm putting in 20. Okay, never mind. I could just take out a 5. Okay, I said all of that wrong. I'm confusing myself with the numbers. Okay, so I took out a 5 and I'm gonna put in a 20 because birthdays is getting 15. Hopefully that made sense because I said that all wrong. Okay, so we're adding in 15. Okay, so let's see. In birthdays, we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. 254. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, school's out, baby, and it's gonna be crazy around here. Also, it's Father's Day this weekend. I literally didn't even know. I thought it was next weekend, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Okay, last thing we're doing is we're gonna put some money towards the barbecue, but let me take the 150 for my wallet. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, and 50. So 150 here goes in my wallet. And once again, I don't use the cash envelopes anymore. I just throw this all right in the wallet and then spend as I wish from it. That is done. And then, why do I have so much money here? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 225. All right, you guys, here's the deal. I took 200 too much out of the bank. I really needed 280, not 480. I don't know what I was thinking or what I was doing. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So I'm gonna have to actually put this back in the bank, because if I don't, I won't have enough to cover my bills. So that really stinks, but I'm gonna put that to the side. I'll have to put that in the bank at some point. And then 25 is what we actually should have. 5 is gonna go to savings challenges, again, just because of the way things work out. With taking money out of the ATM, I can only take increments of 20, which meant I had to take an extra 5 because I needed 275, so I took out 280, and then 5 goes towards the challenges. The barbecue is gonna get 20 bucks, so let me grab my binder. Here's what I decided I'm gonna do. So our barbecue is actually next weekend. You guys know I'm saving up for that. I'm gonna put the 20 in, and I'm not even gonna do the challenges. And then this way I'll save just a little bit more. The reason I'm doing that instead of trying to like finish the challenges is because after today's savings challenge stuffing, well, you'll see it Sunday, I'm still gonna finish these. And so whatever amount I have remaining will just go towards something else once I'm done saving it. And so I'm not just gonna try to rush to get this done with the 20. I'm just putting the 20 in there. I hope that makes sense. I probably didn't really say that right, but I'm not gonna worry about scratching anything. I'm just putting the 20 in, and this way it'll leave more for me to do after the barbecue and save towards something else, okay? All right, so that is finished, and we are now done with this mess of a cash stuffing. Thank you for sticking with me, watching till the end. I am so grateful that you're here. I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll catch you in the next video.